I cannot tell you why they just purposely. See this house, ladies and gentlemen, we want y'all to look good now. Door wide open, trying to make sure nobody is in there. And when we ride down some of these streets, you can kind of like tell which houses need to be going into. So we just want to make sure it's clear in here. You know what I'm saying? That's it. That's all we're gonna do. We're gonna make sure it's clear, and we'll be out. We don't want to be too far from our house. Detroit Street Watchers! Hey, we got bullet holes in this one. Clear in the back. So they probably came up in here, probably scrap, or they possibly came to use. Detroit Street Watcher Neighborhood Watch Group. We do a neighborhood watch. If anybody's up in here and say something, we'll be about it. Yo, yo. We are CPL licensed carriers, which means we are armed. We're not out here to do any harm. Yo, yo. Open. You can see the bullet holes. So apparently, what you think they use? AK? We need to be careful there. Yo, yo, is anybody in that room? Yo, yo.
Detroit Street Watchers, Neighborhood Watch Group. Detroit Street Watchers, is anybody in here? Neighborhood Watch Group. Coming up, Detroit Street Watchers.
Stay together on this. Let's stay together, y'all. Matter of fact, let me go in front. Clear so far. Another whole upstairs lobby.
Detroit Street Watchers, is anybody up there? Detroit Street Watchers.
And them look like it could have been like a 9mm. I have a bike. That's why, yeah, we ain't gonna steal from him.
Something must have happened.
Right.
I mean, this shit's different calibers.
It's clear. Alright, let's solve it all. We're about to clear. We're clearing out. I mean, this bullet holes upstairs, downstairs. So apparently, there was a lot of retaliation or something. And we left our doors open. Clear. No dead bodies in here, ladies and gentlemen. Cleared it out. All right, y'all, we clear. Detroit Street Watchers doing what we do.